Hello crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see what's new on the shelves. Now they did have so many plus and 125 items that I have never seen before, so be sure to look out for these items on your next trip out. So let's dive in. I'm starting in the 125 section, and look at these picture frames. These are a brand new arrival at my Dollar Tree. They're shaped like a little cathedral window. This one has a natural finish, and they did have one also in a black finish, and they have a little stand on the back with a little clippy on the front. So very cute for DIYs or displaying pictures. Now here's another new picture frame that just came in as well. This one has the white frame with the little natural beads on there. It has the little miniature clothespin on there to hang little pictures on there. And they also have one with a lighter background and black beads. So you have two designs to choose from. These were also new at my Dollar Tree. Look at these little signs. So these are those thick MDF wood. They have the family sign with the little two hearts on there in black. They had another one here. This one has home on it. It has two little hearts on it as well. And then I dug back there. They did have a third one hiding back there. And this one says love in a natural tone. Perfect for Valentine's Day that's coming up soon. Now look at these. Now we've seen these little banks before, but it seems like they have expanded all their little sayings and patterns on these. So they have the little slot you could put your coins and paper money into. They have a lot of different styles that you could choose from. These make such cute little gifts. Now these bottles were new to me. I saw these ones and I was just so blown away. They're so adorable. They have them in this blue, orange, and a burgundy color with a little gold charm on them. I think that they just are gorgeous. Now we've all seen the little votive lights, little battery operated votive tea lights, but look, now they have them in a 3-pack. This is definitely a better bang for your $125. Now I went in there for some taper candles, but I was so surprised they have so many colors of the tapered candles now. Now not only do they have the different colors, but they can come in a smooth or a ribbed finish to add to your decor. Now in the decor, look what they have. If you know a coffee lover, these little signs are so cute. Too much Monday, not enough coffee, wife, mother, and coffee. Here's one that says less is more unless it's coffee. I think these are cute. They have a little stand on the back so they could stand up. And look at this new arrival at my Dollar Tree. So they have these little signs with the little twisted metal lettering. I love these. These are gorgeous. So this one says blessed and it comes with a gold finish. Here is a black one and this one says hello and it got that little black stand on there. And then I saw one that said hope and this one's in a silver finish. Now they did have color variations between them so you could choose the word and the color combination that you love. Now these were a new find for me. These little frames are so adorable. They come in different colors and I love these frames that have the wood beaded handles or little hang strings at the top. So cute. Now one of the best things about these is that insert you can swap out. It just has a few clips holding it in place so you could do whatever you want to do craft wise with these. And look what just came back to my Dollar Tree. If you guys keep missing those little knobs, they're starting to show back up. I think this is in the new spring arrivals, so check them out. I saw them in this pink and also this round clear color. They have this really pretty blue one and they have another one in kind of like a diamond cut. But listen, you guys, you don't even have to keep them in these colors. You can paint them and style them. You can remove the screw, use them for other purposes in your crafts. I could see these being used as like a hanger for a little knob hanger. So super cute. And look what also is back, you guys, the little bulb mini lantern pieces. These are back out for the spring. You guys, if you see them, you need to grab them now. They don't last long. Now, another new item that I saw was this wood hanging tray. Now, I've seen a skinnier one before, but this one is a lot thicker and it seems to be solid wood. And I love this little wood shelf. It comes with the string and all of the metal rings that you need to hang and mount it on your wall. And look at this little corner shelf. Now, I've seen the rectangular shelf, but I've never seen the corner shelf. I saw this one in black. It comes with all the mounting hardware on there for all your decor. Now also, look at these in the craft section. I love these. These are the little segment, little fish. So I saw this little shark, so adorable. I also saw one that's in the shape of a little fish. Now, if you have an aqua themed decor, these would be great for a children's room. You could use them in arts and crafts. So fun. And then the classic snakes are back. These are so fun to use in everyday decor. I've seen them used so many different ways, so I always grab a few of these. They also have one that looks like a little lizard or a gecko. Really fun. Now these brass rings are back. These come in a 3-piece set. I did feature these before. They sold out quick. I didn't get enough, so I did grab 2 more to put in my craft stash. Now, I just recently crafted with these wood slices, and let me tell you guys, they have 3 different sizes. They have these really wide, short stumps that are really fun. Then they have the little short, tiny ones, but they're a little thinner here, and they come in a colorful variety. Now, the third one are longer, skinnier pieces. This is what I used for my last DIY on my deer stand. So, you guys, grab a couple of each. You never know what size you'll need for your crafts. Now look at this little tumbler. Now this is in the health and beauty. This tumbler is a gift set. Actually, it comes with a nail file, tumbler, nail clipper, a nail brush, and a bath sponge all in one. You can grab a few of these and give them out during the year or keep one for yourself. Now I saw this really pretty blue one, which is really nice. And then on another section of the store, I saw one in this beautiful lavender color. So you could choose whichever one that you like that you would like to keep for yourself or give as a gift. Another thing that I saw were these bath sponges. Now, I think these are intentionally meant for the guys because of the gray and black, the green and black, and blue and black, but these are so much thicker than the ones in the women's section. So yeah, I did pick up a few for myself. No need for them to have better quality than me. So I did pick up a few. Just remember, change these out every 30 days. They don't last forever. Now also look at in the toy section. Now these are meant for little race cars and minifigures, but when I saw this, I immediately thought of craft room storage. I buy a lot of those tack nail heads that you put on furniture or picture frames. This is the perfect size to organize those for me, so I got a few of these for that. And look at these little dollhouse furniture pieces. I was just so nostalgic thinking about this, but when I saw this little couch, I definitely got one because this one is going to be holding my cell phone on my desk. Yeah, kind of weird, but I think it would be so cute. Now, if you just wanted them for their intended purpose, look at this little bed. They have a bed for a dollhouse. They also have this little vanity with a stool included. So if you have someone in your family that loves dollhouse furniture, check out the Dollar Tree. Now they have restocked all of their t-shirts. So I saw this little white one with a black ring around it. You guys, these are all name brands. So this one is Gildan. I love the fact that they have a variety of sizes, not a whole lot of really tiny sizes that they always have. They have them from small all the way to 3X. So whichever size that you're looking for, I'm sure you'll be able to find some. Now I also did find some of these 2-pack boxer briefs for the guys. Now I know earlier this year they had the larger packs, but still for 2 pair for $125, these are still a good deal if you're looking for them. So I took a walk down the food aisle and look what they have. They have these ready to eat, just warm up and eat pasta bags. I don't know how many times I want pasta, but just don't want to take the 10 minutes to prepare it. These are actually really convenient for $1.25. It's a really good size bag too. I saw 4 different types of pasta. Let me know if you guys have tried these. So now I'm going to walk over to the Dollar Tree Plus aisle and see what they have. And the first thing I do see every year during this time of year are the fleece throws. But check this out. They have plush throws. Now, I've never seen the really thick plush throws. Now, you guys, these actually have a really good weight to them. They are 50 inches by 60 inches, and they're so soft. So I definitely picked up a few of these for the winter. Now, here's another new one I've never seen. This one has a Sherpa texture. I love this one. I think this one is so fun to use, you know, just to lay across the bottom of your bed. And these are only $5. But this has to be the score for me. Look at these Eclipse Draft Stopper panels. These are 100% blackout panels. And let me tell you guys, these are fleece lined. They are such high quality. I actually opened the top of them to just feel the texture. Oh my gosh. They are such great quality and very heavy. There's only one panel per bag and they're $5. But I had to just take a closer look at these because I was just simply amazed that these were at Dollar Tree. So what I did is look them up online, and I found them online. $62.99 for each panel, you guys. I was taken aback. I grabbed a couple of them. They only have this pattern at my Dollar Tree, but if you see them, oh my goodness, the quality of these is great. They're all fleece lined, they're blackout, and they are heavy. Now, the ones that I got are 50 inches by 95 inches, so they may have more in your store, but definitely grab these. You could even use them just for the fabric if you love to sew or create with fabric. Now, another awesome thing that I found for the spring, look, they have new lanterns in. So these are $5 in the plus section. They have them in white. They are battery operated. So these take 3 AAA batteries. They're $5. And look, they have this wire on the side, which is really cute. But I think the most interesting part is it has this Edison style bulb, you guys. I think this is such an upgrade in quality for the Dollar Tree. I am just so impressed. So like I mentioned, it does take 3 AAA batteries at the bottom, just snaps right off. And then when you turn it on, here you go, you have this sparkly little Edison style bulb in there. I think this is such a gorgeous find at the Dollar Tree for $5. And it just keeps getting better. Look at this. They have a whiskey decanter with 2 drinking glasses for $5. Okay, so I was just really blown away with this. This is a 34-ounce decanter, 2 glasses. Now, the box was heavy, so I had to just open it up. I wanted to check out the quality to show you guys because I definitely was buying it. And look, when I pulled it out, I just gasped. I was so impressed by the weight of this. This is so heavy. The detail in it is gorgeous, you guys. I think these would make excellent gifts, or if you have a bar setup, this would be perfect. Even the glasses are nice. Now, if you need more glasses, buy 2 sets. Gift the other decanter. Use it for another purpose. For $5, you guys, I would grab these. I'm sure they won't last long. Now, if you've seen these little blow up little symbols, letters, and numbers in the 125 section, they have the 3-foot version in the plus section for $5. So these are about 34-35 inches. They have them in a huge size. So if you're looking for the larger ones and don't want to spend that extra, grab them. Now, the last thing I saw in the plus section, they have this tumbler spinner. This is battery operated. If you love to customize tumblers with glitter, epoxy, or even your Cricut, for $5, you can have a spinner to get you started. Now, if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus on, I wanted to let you know that I've put together a short video answering all of these questions listed, and I will walk you through the locator process and share the information about new store openings directly from the Dollar Tree corporate website. Just click the link in the upper right hand corner of this video or the link in the description box below to find out everything you need to know. Now, if you missed my last video featuring more awesome first-time finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my finds, my DIY videos will be on Tuesdays and Fridays, so set your alarms so you don't miss it. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what was your most exciting find at Dollar Tree recently. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.